Guess what we're doing today? Well, you probably already know because it was in the title. Sephora picks. Yes, I am jumping on the bandwagon because I can't open my app without watching someone else's. So yeah, let's do this. I'll be honest, I don't care about the Sephora sale at all. I just don't. If I wanted a Dyson or, I don't know, something else that was extravagantly expensive, then I would be interested in the Sephora sale. I'm not doing an all-inclusive list. I'm just doing products I'm triggered about, good or bad. Let's just dive right into it. First things first, I love this freaking blush. This blush is iconic. I can't even describe how amazing it is. It looks so airbrushed. It is the perfect color. I did hear that it adapts to your skin tone. Because looking at this blush, for me, this is not the color that I would normally go for. This is too cool toned in the pan for me to ever be attracted to. I like very spicy, coppery, warm blushes. But this looks spicy, coppery, warm on my cheek. I don't understand how it works because obviously it's a cool toned pink, but it is fantastic. It is very reliable. It is never patchy. It's beautiful. There are other prestige blushes that are amazing. It's not like this one's the best one ever, but this is the current one that I've had now for at least a year. It's been my go-to and I still have so much left. This is, I'm pissed off just looking at it. This is an immediate hell effing no. Bronzi drops by Drunk Elephant. Nice try. However, they should have probably used mica in here. It's like if they made it shimmery with mica would have been the ideal element to create a lustrous look with this, because then at least it's blurring texture. But this, oh my God, it is horrible. It looks like you are wearing like dollar store foundation from like 1992. That's like 5 shades too dark for you. It is disgusting. I hate it with a passion. Next, another product I don't like at all, Niacinamide Dewdrops by Glow Recipe. Sorry, Glow Recipe, I am not a fan of these at all. They are sticky, they smell like candy, and this is not a good combination for me. Something that's sticky that smells like candy is like the worst idea to put on my face, so not happening. Oh my God, this brush is unbelievable. This Rare Beauty concealer brush is to die for. So it makes your concealer look very airbrushed, but the way that it's shaped, it's the perfect contour for the eye area, including the inner corner, including underneath. It really helps to, if I'm like shaping my eyeshadow or just shaping the natural highlight of my cheekbone, it's literally gorgeous. It is so amazing. You think like, oh, it's a concealer brush, what's the big deal? That's the big deal. That is the big deal. By the way, Bauer Beauty Barrier Serum is finally back in stock. The 2 ounce is finally back in stock. Make sure to purchase it while it's in stock. 10% off right now with the code SPRING23. Link is in my description. Oh my God, next is a product I despise. Saie Slip Tint. Everything is wrong with this. Everything is wrong with this. I still have it. It's like I didn't throw it away because I'm still like figuring out, okay, I use it as a highlighter. I can use it as a highlighter, that's it. It is the most glowy, and if you know me, glowy to me is like greasy because I'm already oily, so I don't need glowy products. Anytime there's like a glowy sunscreen, a glowy moisturizer, a glowy like it, I always regret it, and this is no exception. This was a major regret for me. It's so oily, but it's also like you could never possibly use this as a sunscreen because it is so greasy. You could never apply enough of this product because it is so uncomfortable and so greasy to actually get the SPF protection. I mean, it's nice that it offers it. It's considered a tinted moisturizer, but it's basically like a gel foundation. It is so pigmented, and it's like the SPF is kind of just like a bonus, but I could cry about that forever. Next is a product I won't be buying. I've never tried. I don't need to try it. And this is another example of a glowy product that I don't need and I already know in advance that I'm going to dislike. Makeup by Mario foundation. Now, I'm sure you saw the viral clips all around the internet of like the foundation, how it has like, I don't know what type of fleck it has in it, but it's like kind of gives it like that dewy, glowy, luminous appearance. And I've seen people apply it and it looks like very glowy and dewy. So this is something I don't need in my life. Okay, now this looks interesting. I've never tried it, but it is new from Kosas. It's a new mineral sunscreen. Silicone free, as if that's something to aspire to. Okay, this has SPF 40 with ceramides and peptides, and it just looks really cute, and it looks like it might be, you can see it might have like a little bit of a tint. It might have like the tint of the Tatcha, the Luminous Silk Tatcha sunscreen, the SPF 50 Tatcha sunscreen. It's like a very light pink. If this is that color, I would pass, because that light pink doesn't match my body and my face skin tone. Do you know what I'm saying? Next is a product with no explanation. I will tell you, I would not buy a lash growth serum for $150. Goodbye. Goodbye, Augustinus Bader. Goodbye. Okay, go buy the Grande lash. In fact, show you the lash serum that you should buy from Sephora during the sale. I changed the tone of my lights. They were too warm. Next is a product that I can't even look at it because it makes me sick. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter SPF 50 Primer. So I hated the Flawless Filter originally until I learned how to use it as a highlighter. Now I love it. I just love it. I use it right here, right here, right here, like especially on those days where you're doing all cream products where it's like a very summery, glowy look. Amazing. But this primer, but I hate it all over my face and I should have known better. So this is the primer version of that. And it has that same like glowy, sparkly, shimmery effect that the Flawless Filter has, because this product emphasizes texture. And so yeah, anything with shimmer is gonna emphasize texture. You might like it, I hated it, it's disgusting, it makes you feel ugly. Next, a blush, my previous blush that I was obsessed with. The blush that I used to be obsessed with before this Dior one, this was the Charlotte Tilbury Cheek to Chic in Ecstasy. That's the shade I got, Ecstasy. But this formula is, God, oh my God, this formula is insane. It's literally insane. It's so gorgeous. When you look at the pan, you think the color looks underwhelming. You're like, you know, we see these blushes that are super vibrant and colorful. This one is not. This one is, in the pan, it looks kind of muted, but like, when you put it on the skin, it just makes your face come to life, and it never ever will look anything but airbrushed, because this formula is unbelievable. Like, it's so gorgeous and it's buildable, and it was the perfect tone. Ecstasy for me is the perfect tone. It's like a spicy, warm, beige pink, golden. Okay, now that was all of the screenshots that I took last night. So I'm gonna get on the website right now and see what else I can screenshot for you. And here's something I most definitely won't be interested in purchasing. Now, unless they changed this formula, this did not work for me. But this was probably a year, maybe 2 years ago. Just welcome to my life. Always someone pounding something. Okay, now, what I was saying, Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint is horrible, and it sounds like a product that I would like. I like the idea of skin makeup hybrid products. Oh, here's a product I definitely will not be buying, and I'm triggered about it. Skin Fix Moisturizer Girlfriend. This is beyond overrated. I'm just so triggered about it. I don't know why I'm so triggered about it, because like, here's the Dior Cica balm and it's $60, so it's not like it's that much cheaper, but for some reason I just love it. It's gorgeous. It's literally gorgeous. This looks like, doesn't feel as luxurious to me. Like, my Dior cream is $60 and it's so amazing that I'm like, this is $80? Oh my God, it's $80. You know what I mean? Like, and it's just not it. It's not it. This product is amazing. This is the Farmacy Honey Halo. This is so stunning. This formula is like custard. It is literally custard, and it's filled with really beneficial healing ingredients and also kind of active ingredients. Like, it has a propolis in it, and it actually can be a little irritating if you use it too much. It's a very, very beautiful, amazing freaking formula with ceramides. I have literally nothing else to say about Sephora. I don't care. I'm not gonna go through, I'm not buying anything. Wait, do I have something in my cart? I actually do have one thing in my cart. Oh my God, it's hilarious. Makeup by Mario contour sticks. You guys told me to get this. Well, I was literally in my bed last night. All right, Jenny, can you get your back into this sale? Another thing I was gonna put in my cart is blonzer. I want the blonzer, Bare Minerals blonzer. Issue is literally it's never in stock. I saw it in stock. Did I ever see it in stock? Maybe one time I saw it in stock for 5 minutes. Like, I cannot find this product in stock. This is the issue. Bare Minerals blonzer in Kiss of Copper. period. It's so annoying. It's never been in stock. And so, I mean, I don't know why I'm so hesitant to try the other ones. The other ones just don't look as good. The copper one looks exactly what I want. Exactly what I want. I mean, the warm pink looks okay, but this is copper. It's just better, girl. It's just literally better. So anyways, I try saving myself for the damn copper one and it never comes. It never comes. I just turned the light, changed the light a little bit. Probably should have had it this high the whole time. Oh well. What else would I buy? You know, I always, it's a ritual of mine. Every single Sephora sale, I plan to buy the Dyson and then I don't. It's not out of stock right now, but the thing is, that's the thing is I just don't know if I'm excited about a Dyson. I really just don't know. Should I get it? Honestly, should I get the Dyson? I don't even know if I'm rouge. Really don't think I'm rouge. So it wouldn't even be worth buying the Dyson if I couldn't get 20% off. Honestly. I wouldn't care. Ew, I'm literally a VIB. I don't know, now in my minimalist era, I guess I'm not rouge, and so it's fun. The new Sephora profile, if you log into your Sephora account, it shows you your previous purchases. So let me tell you what I hated and loved. I feel like I must have returned this. The avocado cleanser by Glow Recipe, it felt like you were washing your face with like a dish soap. It was very thick and rich and just emulsified like crazy. Okay, the Bobbi Brown bronzer is unbelievable. It's unbelievable. The only issue is I do not use powder bronzer anymore. Winter, I think I would, but I have not used powder bronzer in so long. So when I purchased this, it was disgusting. I have not used a powder bronzer in so long, but if you like powder bronzer, you need to try this Bobbi Brown bronzer. Okay, if you like powder bronzer. This was horrible. This was literally horrible. You know what's horrible about it is me. The fact that I bought a shade that was 25 times too dark because I was being ambitious at how dark I thought I could get from my self-tanner. So yeah, I'm the problem, it's me. But I think the formula was also slightly greasy. I bought Olaplex at Sephora because I don't have any wholesale shops around here, which is annoying. This is amazing. I guess it's good for only specific hair types though. Okay, it's always worked for me. Oh, honey, this is worth your money. Okay, the Hourglass Vanish Primer. This is the best primer to ever grace the world's presence. So yes, I highly recommend that. And it's very expensive, so it's definitely worth buying during the sale. Okay, loved this cleansing oil. Probably the best cleansing oil at Sephora. Not that I've tried them all, but most of the ones I have tried I've disliked. Oh, this is the Dior cream I was telling you about earlier. Dior Cica Recovery Balm. This is amazing. Amazing. I just love it. You know what I disliked eventually? Eventually I disliked this. I did like this at first. The Saie Sun Melt Cream Bronzer. Okay, this at first I loved it. But the issue is that I think it absorbs into the skin because I put it on and it looks stunning and then it just doesn't hold that appeal. It's really bizarre. I definitely didn't like it. Summer Friday Shade Drops SPF 30 Mineral Milk. Now, I wish this was minimum SPF 40. I feel like it should be for some reason, then every time I look at it, I'm disappointed. And I'm like, oh, it's only SPF 30. Darn it. But nonetheless, this is an amazing formula. It is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, it is so beautiful. It's very lightweight. It's completely transparent and it's mineral and it's not greasy. It's gorgeous, but you can't really wear it under makeup because it pills. It will pill. I wear it on days when I'm not wearing anything else. You probably could blend it in with makeup if it was still slightly damp, but if it has dried, it does not let you blend products on top of it. That is my experience. The Yves Saint Laurent, am I Kris Jenner? New Bare Look Tint. I'm just gonna show it to you. It's their skin tint, okay? It is literally stunning. Completely freaking stunning. This skin tint is stunning. It's like, I don't think it has oil in it. It's literally so watery. It just is like the wateriest formula. And so when you put it on, it genuinely feels like it just absorbed into the skin and makes your skin look plumper and hydrated like naturally. It looks like it gives it like a really big drink of water. And the tint is kind of sheer, but it's like the perfect amount of sheer. It's like it just makes your skin look flawless, gorgeous, beautiful, natural, amazing. But the only problem with this product is that it cannot be paired with certain primers. It's that whole like oil water phenomenon. I don't know, that thing that went viral. It was like you have to use an oil-based primer with an oil-based foundation. Ever since then, like, weird things started happening. I feel like I was better before I knew that information. But with that information, this did get pilly, like if you used it with the wrong foundation. So I think this would be best, honestly, on like a right on top of sunscreen during the day. I don't think that this is something you want to wear at night, because using it like a nighttime foundation, like with primer and all the things, got very complicated very quickly. But it is, when you do it right, okay, she shows up. When you do it right, she shows the fuck up. Oh my God, honey, I used to love this product. Hourglass Micro Sculpting Pencil. I think I would get like dark blonde or light brown, I don't remember, but this is the most stunning. Like, I'm getting horny just thinking about it. I really am. I don't know why. I guess I completely forgot about this. Like, I completely forgot about this eye pencil. This eye pencil is so literally gorgeous and amazing and beautiful. It is the skinniest, tiniest freaking little. I like how specific you can get. You can get everything so specific. This foundation's out of stock, so unfortunately you can't go buy it right now. But this foundation is truly incredible. Tarte Hydroflex Serum Foundation, I think it's called. This is literally insane, and it's out of stock, unfortunately, but it is truly insane. It is like watery thin. It is the perfect tone. It just blends in perfectly with your skin tone. It's kind of like sheer to medium, and I usually use it during the daytime, like over sunscreen. But you can use this at night or during the day, and it just kind of blurs texture and just looks seriously gorgeous. I just love this foundation so much. It's not letting me scroll anymore, so I guess this is, you know, this was fun, but I gotta go now. So I'll talk to you later.